How you going, guys? Calais Kid here. I thought while I've got a bit of downtime, I'll show you some of the stuff I've purchased. I'm not going to stick with, say, a one company kit. I thought I'd go out and try different things. Also, that gives you guys more options to choose from. So I'll just go through the stuff I've got now, off the shelf stuff. First is the Castlemaine Rod Shop RB30 to LS1 VL engine mounts. They're pretty nice, welds are pretty nice, very cheap. If you buy anything from Castlemaine, it ends up being shipped pretty quick. Now I'll give you a sort of rundown. Nice welds, Rod Shop stamped, and obviously labelled driver side, passenger side. If you can just see that, and they're very good quality. Nice, made out of some nice steel. So yeah, they're on the cheaper side of stuff to buy. I do rate them. Next, I could have gone with the Castlemaine Turbo 400 Crossmember, but I went the Racecraft Crossmember. Again, nice finish, powder coated black with some nice welds on it. That was also on the cheap side. We'll see how the fitment goes. I assume it's going to be pretty darn good. But yeah, that's that. And then get into some more of the custom made stuff for the rear end. JP Fabrication trailing arms. It's chromoly, tubular. Obviously you can see there. You can do your adjustments. Got the poly bushes in there too. And then this is, I've showed you these guys before, but this is the factory trailing arm for a Commodore. And yeah, I mean, once again, pretty good welds. I'll paint these black myself. I guess you could ask for powder coating or whatever, but yeah, these are good. Just one bloke in the shop, I'm pretty sure, or a couple of blokes in the shop. Pretty good value for money for what they are. I give them a solid 10 out of 10, I reckon. And then finally, we've got these upper trailing arms. Not sure what brand they are, but if you can, if you know what they are, shoot us a message. I'd love to know what brand they are. Pretty good quality, adjustable either way. Yeah, I assume that's how they come. But yeah, they're nice. They'll do for now. Second handies, so I don't know where they come from, but they were out of a VL. Alright guys, and on the way we have the VL diff video. I've finished putting that together, still waiting on a few things, and then we'll throw that in. We'll be able to put the Pro Stars on with the radials and see how they fit. I'll walk you through what you need to do to get them in, and then once we've got the diff done, we're going to move on to putting these bad boys in and that, and then I'm going to dummy fit the motor. I haven't got the starter motor relocation kit or the alternator brackets or whatever you need to finish it off. We'll just take them off for now, slip the motor and box in, and then I'll be able to put the manifolds on and sort of dummy up where everything's got to go and sort of got to be sort of where I've got to cut holes and stuff. So once I've got the diff items back, well yeah, then we'll throw that in and then move on to the front. Once I got the motor in and we've done sort of all the turbo plumbing, then I'll be able to start the painting stages on the engine bay. Once I've painted the engine bay, I reckon we'll move to the boot. There's a nice kit, I'm not sure who does them, but there is a nice boot kit. Yeah, like they do some sheet metal work you just screw in. Thinking about getting them. They're pretty cool. Tidy up the boot a bit. I'll do another video on that too once we get them. And then once we move on from the boot, we'll be starting to do the outside. Start to do the rust repairs here. You can just see, I'll show you. It's just there. Sort of gouged me out with a screwdriver just to see how far they were going. But they sort of were the only major rust bits. There were none around the rear of the car. So yeah, we'll just go along slowly. I've got no no rush. Love to have the car at least painted and rolling by the end of the year. Not sure about motor. Not fussed if the motor's in it. It would be fun. Would be fun to go to Summernats and then Power Cruise. But yeah, we'll see how we go. There you guys, that's just a little update on where we're at and what we're doing. And alright, thanks for watching guys.